Alright guys, well it's 9:30 at night. I'm not sure if anyone else is here or not, but whatever. So I worked on installing some of these plugs at the end of the day, USB plugs right there. I still have to do that one right there, but I got these four. And then worked on doing some plugins in here in the kitchen. I can't really see anything right now, but they're still around the corner. I don't think they wanted those in yet, but I guess they could have done those as well. So probably could stay here till 10, but I kind of want to sleep. So anyways, I got these ones in, and then coworker and me went in here and did these. So just going to around here, and this is extremely hot, but it kind of feels good now because it's getting colder. I got these ones here, and he got some of those ones, and I'll show you the classrooms over here real quick. I mean, basically just plugins or whatever, but and then there's some stuff upstairs I did, but I'll show you a picture of that later, just because I don't feel like walking up there. I kind of want to leave, but these are some plugins in here. So I got these ones are in here, and these are like, probably can't really see it, but it says control on it. So basically it's like a half hot plug from the factory, but they're gonna be, I don't know exactly what they do. They either turn off after a certain time, or they're switched or whatever, or something like that, or they have a relay in the panel or something, but basically they turn off after a certain hour or something. I don't really see the point of that unless something's plugged into it. So, coworker did some of these, then I did these two rooms over here. Pretty much wraps this part up, and then like I said, I was doing some other stuff upstairs, just putting these plug whips or plug, I don't even know what you call them, but there's these plugins hanging down on a cord, and I was setting the heights on them to 48 inches, so I'll show you what that looks like, and pretty much gonna head home. And I went from the first job to this job, and then I'll be back here till Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, so I didn't really record anything, but I got a couple pictures from the first job today, so I'll throw those in as well. Alright guys, we're here in the Moneymaker, the Camry work car. Anyways, this is what it looks like from the outside. You can't really see much, it's really dark, but it's a 3-story school. I don't know what kind of school it is, but I think it should be a government job, so I should be making hopefully almost twice the money that I normally make. Plus overtime, so that should be screaming money if I keep working a bunch of hours. Hopefully that'll all work out. But anyways, either way, it's been pretty good so far. That was the first time I've been there, and it wasn't bad. So anyways, more tomorrow morning at 6 in the morning, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So I'll get back to it, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. I'm gonna head home, and don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm out here hustling for you guys. I hope you appreciate it, and yeah, I will see you tomorrow, and make sure to check out the description for social medias. Thanks guys, thanks for stopping by, appreciate it. God bless, see you later, peace out, good night, LOL.